Welcome to part 5 in our series on how to build a WordPress theme. In this video, we are going to break down our header and footer sections and put them into their own files. In the last video, we copied all of our code into our index.php file. While this is great, it looks like it's working. It's not really doing much of anything for us. So what we need to do is create a new file. We'll call it header.php, and we'll also create one called footer.php. We're going to go ahead and open both of these up, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab our index file and we're going to grab our entire header. Our header going all the way down to our nav bar, which is all of this. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into our header.php file and delete it from our index file. And in order to bring it back in, we're going to do PHP. I believe it's get WP head, but just to be sure, get header. Okay, I'm just going to copy this, and we're going to change footer to header and save that. We're going to make sure it's still working, so we're going to go back here, we're going to refresh, and we're good. Okay, so we remove that. Now we're going to do the same thing for the footer, which is going to be just the pre-footer right here. Okay, so we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it into our footer. Now we can work with these files individually without get w. Okay, so we're going to save that and double check that, make sure that's working. Scroll down and we still have a header and footer. Okay, so all is well, all is right with the world. While we're at it, we can even go ahead and build our sidebar .php. Okay, we can open that up and we can pull our sidebar out of here, which is right here. Something tells me, wow, sidebar and content. Okay, so we went a little far on that. Right sidebar, okay. So we want this, okay. So copy that, paste it into here, and we can do get sidebar, and again we will be changing all of this here soon. Let's go and save that and make sure we still have our sidebar. Okay, so everything appears to be working right. We still have our header, footer, and sidebar. Now what we're going to do is stop here, and in the next video we are going to start tackling our header.php file, and in this we are going to start putting in our WordPress hook so we can get our WordPress menu back at the top of this page. Since we're logged in, we should see a bar across the top that has the WordPress logo, gives us access to our backend, things like that. So we're going to give us that access back in the next video, so stick around. If you have any questions, use the comments below and subscribe, and thanks for watching.